I got a little friend here called Brad.
Hello.
Hello. And we did something awful to his Teco air conditioner. That's after he got it recovered, of course. But it is still charged with about 300 psi of compressed air, and funnily enough it didn't leak. The only thing that leaked was the back tyre of the Range Rover. Whoops. There's a very big hole in it now, and yes, it's a good thing I've got new tyres coming, because there's a hole about the size of my thumb in the sidewall. But at least we know the car's running nice now. It's got plenty of torque to climb really odd objects like this. That condenser coil is not going to do much, so let's plug it in, Brad.
Very good, sir.
It's not happy. Fan motor's not doing much.
I think it's got some pressure mounting
Oh, damn it. Yeah, alright. Now it's killed itself.
out on the quick stint.
Yeah. Yeah, thermal cutout.
Oh no, it hasn't gone yet.
You just plug it in, it's on a 35 amp breaker.
Oh, I don't want the quick stint cutting in there, because that takes away all the fun. By the time it cuts back, you know, close the circuit again, no head pressure left.
It sounds angry.
See if I can get it to run backwards like last time.
It's hot. It's because we crushed the condenser, there's no way for the back pressure to bleed off now.
Don't do this at home, people. Good way to get electrocuted.
Yes, it's very dangerous.
Yeah.
At least it's still grounded.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh no, it's all connected at the front still.
Yeah, we haven't crushed that yet. That's what made big hole in Range Rover. Actually, it almost looks like that copper loop's been torn off.
Yeah, it looks like it's been...
I bet you it's just sucking air in again.
You can hear the pressure in the front though, is it?
Yeah, we recovered it and pumped it up with air, but the problem is it's just pushing... I don't know.
It wouldn't high side like it just did then.
That's weird. There is a big hole in this loop. But the problem is the whole bloody coil's been concertinaed. I bet you that loop's been completely deleted anyway.
That loop's the main line in too.
I don't know what's going on inside this air conditioner unless it's running backwards the whole time. Wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, it's just not starting. I think it's dead.
Hopefully it's locked up finally after running it for 3 hours upside down and with no fan. It just wouldn't die for me.
Die for me.
Yeah, just I've got to run it over with a big British vehicle.
Yes. At least we can salvage the thermostat. A nice new thermostat.
Hopefully the thermostat isn't. That's not just the fan motor.
No, the thermostat would be alright.
Yeah.
It's the compressor humming, it's just locked up. It's not trying to even do anything.
Kick it. We learned that worked.
Do what I did with the growling Fujitsu, which I forgot to upload. There we go. When in doubt, hit it with a blunt object. I think that'll do it. You can still hear gas going through it, but it's just air.
Yeah.
That coil loop's been ripped wide open. Yeah, it's not even cold, it's just air.
Yeah, it's still air, but it's still pressurised inside there.
Yeah, it's weird how it's getting through, but then again, was this a heat pump?
No.
Yeah.
Straight cool.
No reversing valve, nothing to bypass, and this loop's been ripped open. I don't know how there's gas getting through there, or air getting through there, but it's just incredible. Oh.
We'll start once more.
Nah, it's angry again. Let me hit it some more.
You're hitting it more is good.
Yeah, let's hit it again. Alright. No, it's still angry. Hang on.
Oh, I think I almost... No, that was just water hitting. I saw something come out of the terminal block.
I can hear something going on inside the terminal box.
Hit it some more then.
I think we killed it.
I think she's locked up. Oh, third time lucky.
No, it's dead.
Yeah, autopsy time.
Pronounced dead on the scene. That's pretty good for a Taiwanese air conditioner.
Yes, many years of hell.
Thanks for watching, folks. It's dead.